So it feels really good to be back on the road. We are now going back to Mayur Vihar phase 3, which is 40 kilometers, and I feel good to see all the cars and the roads and people again on the road after the quarantine, when all of us were back in the home. I really missed traveling on the road, making motor vlogs. Now that we are able to travel more often than before, I really wish to start the motor vlogs again. So let's see how far that goes. My motor vlogging skills have come down very drastically, because earlier I had practice switching on the camera and then turning it off again, so I was able to do all that like perfectly. But right now it's very difficult to talk on the camera while riding the motorcycle. It's a bit difficult, but I'll get used to it again. I really want to ask if there are any people actually watching this motor vlog. How was your quarantine at home? How did you spend the 4 months locked up in your homes? For me it was so difficult. I mean, things were good. Me being an artist, I had all the time in the world to actually draw and set up my things at home. But then it became very monotonous. I mean, I stay all by myself, so it is a bit difficult all by yourself, because a small kind of a depression kicks in. Not a major kind of depression, but yeah, when you are in the home and you can't go outside and you have to be very careful of the things you touch and the people you meet, it became a bit sedentary. Is that even a word? I don't know. You get the point. Look at this wonderful BMW, man. Oh, the color, I just love this color. And the rims, black. It looks really cool, man. Nice choice of color actually. But I'm not sure if you can use this color on the road. A civilian is not allowed to run a registered battle green on the road. He will surely face a lot of problems with the cops, unless you know the old ways. One good thing happened for me during the pandemic. I started the servicing of my motorcycle Django all by myself. I bought all the tools online and also bought a workshop manual by Heinz and give it a go on a Sunday. It took me the entire Sunday, but now the motorcycle is completely serviced and I did it all by myself. So going forward, this motorcycle will only have one sole mechanic, and that will be me. That is kind of empowering, you know. So yeah, self-learning, hooray to that. Oh god, this guy is screwed. Okay, that's a without helmet case. That's gone. Oh, he's gonna park, or is he going to run? Let's see the verdict. Oh, he got screwed. He got screwed bad. So what did we learn from this small incident? Even if you have a pillion, definitely get the helmet. Otherwise, you'll get surprise visit like this in the middle of the road. Even if you are in the middle of the road, they will come to you and then they will ask you to park it in the side and then give a reasonable explanation, or the ticket, or the money, whatever the law says. All of my riding plans have been put to a halt. I mean, भाई कितने सारे सपने थे, like going to Ladakh, going to Himachal every 2 months, especially ये summer time, May, June and July. एक proper plan था लद्दाख जाने का, वो सब फ्लॉप हो गया. अब पैंडमिक को भी इस साल इसी टाइम आना था यार. आई मीन सीरियसली, इस साल के सारे राइडिंग प्लान्स तो भाई बर्बाद ही है एक तरह से. बट अभी भी होप है, मतलब धीरे धीरे सब थोड़ा ईज आउट हो रहा है। आई मीन यू रिमेंबर व्हेन द पैंडेमिक स्टार्टेड, सबकी इतनी फटी पड़ी थी, वो कोई घर के बाहर नहीं निकल रहा था। बट नाउ look at everyone's guts now, man. Everybody is on the road. That includes me as well. So yeah, so इस तरह चलता रहेगा तो I mean एक दिन तो वो सारे एंट्री पॉइंट्स और जो भी स्टेट के बैरियर्स है वो खोल दिए जाएंगे। I mean within a couple of months. So I guess we can expect maybe a winter ride. मैं तो भाई कुछ भी बोल देता हूँ, बट कुछ चीज़ की गारंटी नहीं है। So हाँ, अगर सब ईज आउट होता है और इफ़ थिंग्स ओपन अप, वी कैन प्लान फॉर अ विंटर राइड नाउ। लद्दाख तो अब भूल ही जाओ। आई मीन लद्दाख तो अब अगले समर्स ही हो पाएगा। यस, ये बहुत परफेक्ट टाइम था यार, दिस समर। दिस वॉज द बेस्ट टाइम इन लद्दाख टू एक्चुअली ट्रैवल, बट या ऑल दोज प्लान्स आर नाउ स्पॉइल्ड। ओह, looks like we got another scene here. कट लिए, सब कट लिए, भागो भागो। They didn't expect the cops at that point, but यार लद्दाख दुख है, बहुत दुख है, मैं क्या बताऊँ। ओह सब चौपट कर दिया यार, सब चौपट। Alhamdulillah. Yeah, maybe next year. Next year is the golden year. So one good thing that has, not one, another good thing that has happened with the pandemic is that the nature, the environment, it has come back to balance now. I mean, for example, I just waited for this moment. Look at that. For you guys, that is Yamuna. For us people in Delhi, ये बहुत बड़ा एक नाला था. For a very long amount of time, इतना polluted river था ये. But now just look at it, it's so clean. I mean, it happened because of less human interaction and no factory workings, no dumpings. It cleared all by itself. Now it's beautiful. The trees and the grass, they have all grown back, and this is not just in Delhi, almost all parts of the country this has happened. मतलब सब कुछ back to normal हो गया पहले जैसा. No, not सब कुछ पहले जैसा, it's improving, it got better. मैंने तो ये भी सुना बहुत जगहों में like endangered species have come back. That's a good news, right? So just सोच के देखो, human intervention, the nature itself took a decision कि hey humans, take a pause, I have some work going on, I need to repair myself, and that happened during this pandemic time. Now that we are back again on the road, I hope we learn a lesson from this pandemic, we keep it right. It's like we got a second chance again. Lot of crazy shit has happened during this pandemic, man. I mean, the Prime Minister of Britain got corona, and 2 Bollywood superstars, and they are dead now. Like news after news. And then we had that Modi special games, X Factor. We have to hit the button and then make noise with the plates and all. Yeah, that thing happened. That was good, kind of. I mean, nothing to stop the corona, but yeah, like in a state of depression, everyone was out, and then we were all doing this. I felt good a bit, but nothing useful out of that exercise, I believe. घर पे बैठ के न्यूज़ पे न्यूज़ आए जा रहे हैं, एक दिन ये हो रहा है, अगले दिन वो हो रहा है. I mean, it was shocking. There was news for everyone. So we have talked enough for this video. I don't want to make it a very long one. So thank you very much for tuning into the motovlog, guys, and all the best. Be safe. If you get a chance, keep riding. Until then, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.